Hello friends, welcome once again to my page. Today I'll be sharing with you guys this delicious soup which is known as Achi and Egusi combination. So let's begin by adding our washed meat to the pan. So we're gonna go in to add all our seasonings such as onions, bouillon seasoning, pepper, and a cup of water. So I'm going to combine that together and place the lid on. I'll cook the meat until half done. So here is the meat half cooked. So I'm just going to stir it around. And I'll walk you through my ingredients. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare the soup. So to begin with, you want to heat up your pan and add your African red palm oil. So go in with your egusi. So the egusi, I diluted the egusi with water. I'm sorry I didn't capture that clip before I added it to the oil. So I melted the egusi with water. That's why you see it is a bit like creamy. So you want to fry your egusi until it's looking like this. So fry the egusi for at least 5 minutes and then it looks like this. Next, you want to pour in your beef stock. Add your beef stock and also add your meat. So I'm adding my meat. Guys, if today is your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to share, like, and comment. So I went in with my achi and crayfish and then onions. So at this point, we're going to be adding everything step by step. So just added my dry fish. I'll combine that together. I also go in with pepper. I'll combine that again. Next, I'll go in with my stockfish. I'll combine that again. Yeah, it's a lot of combining, don't worry. So friends, feel free to tell me where you're watching from. If it's your first time on this page, thank you for coming to my page. You like it here. So put the lid on and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So here is 10 minutes. You want to go in with your seasoning cube and combine again. So that is done, add salt and add your diced pumpkin leaf, also known as ugu leaf. So combine that really good. If you have watched up to this place, I say a big thank you. Don't forget to share, follow if you have not followed my page. Turn on your notification bell. It's very important so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the one to notice first. So this is the finished look of the soup. I'm serving my soup. I'm gonna enjoy this soup with pounded yam. So this is how it looks after the soup is ready. It really looks good and it tastes good. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, share to your family and friends. Bye.